Hey guys, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Me and Potatoes Organizing here in the Twin Cities of Minnesota. Today's tip is it's time to clean out that medicine cabinet. So if you have not been sick recently, I have, my family has. I actually had to do a pretty thorough declutter of all of our medicine and supplements. And it was actually a great exercise because I was able to pull everything out. I was checking expiration dates and how much I had of everything, and discarding things that were no longer good or things we no longer used. And I feel like supplements and, medication and stuff, they really add up quickly. So, now is the time to go in and do a thorough refresh of the medicine cabinet or supplement area and do a nice declutter, and then figure out, maybe there is some things that you need to reorder, things that you use often, and get those in good supply. So if you do get sick or you're not feeling well, you've got an easy access to the things that you need. I have small containers. I have one set aside for like tummy troubles, one for cough and cold. I have one for just daily immune boosters. And I also have a drawer that's dedicated to things such as emergency, liquid IV type packets, and some liquid supplements. So anyway, it's really fun. I love my drink drawer. I love my supplement bins. And I also have a turntable for some of the things that I don't use as frequently, but still need to find. So that is your tip for today. Go out there, get those medicine supplement cabinets done. Let us know how it goes in the comments, and I will see you next week.